Hey fam, hope you can hear me. So taking a little break here at the home office because I got a new delivery show up. Yeah, so I had the X3 and the Insta360 had a trade-in program, and that trade-in program allowed you to trade in your old camera for a new one. They give you like a credit or a coupon. It was about $100. So probably could have sold it for more if I was willing to wait online at eBay or Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace. But looking at the list of folks that were already trying to sell their cameras, it didn't seem like this actually just seemed like a better offer. So they also have a creative sale this week, so the price was a little bit more friendly, although I did miss the Memorial Day pricing, which was even more generous. Wish I had missed it by a day, getting my coupon by a day. But in any case, I went ahead and purchased it to replace my old unit, and looking forward to some of the benefits here. And as you can see, I got the white one, so we can crack this puppy open here. And oh, look at that. So it's still wrapped up in the plastic and stuff. Got a nice texture to it. One of the ways that I intend to use this, of course, is with blogging. And because this has the Insta frame, I think is what it's called, now I don't have to do as much editing, which was the bane of my existence with the Insta360. I love the video, I love the capabilities, I love that it picked up pretty much any angle, but so it means I didn't have to have multiple cameras, but I had to do so much in post to be able to get a decent video, and that was the downfall for me with that. So that's a big one. And then it also has the AI chip. I don't know if it's in board, but it's kind of like a tensor chip inside of the Google phones, where it does some editing inside the actual device itself. So I'm looking forward to seeing what that looks like. From what I've seen, that really is a benefit when it comes to the night mode, which was also another weakness on the previous generations of this camera. So we got this. I ordered some accessories as well. What made me think about doing this is I was really considering purchasing the new Insta360 gimbal camera when it comes out, but it's supposed to be like $900. There was no fucking way I was going to do that, pardon my French, because of all of the tariffs and other shipping restrictions that we have. So, oh look, it's kind of got like a little iridescence to it. See, that kind of has a little blue, little pinkish on it. So wonder how durable that paint color or that coloration is going to be. But in any case, so what I'm going to do here is use this guy for blogging. One of the things, because they have that Instaframe and horizon lock, is that you can actually use it this way, which saves a lot of space. This is actually kind of an awkward way of doing this, of holding the camera in some ways. Like if you have it on your chest or on your head, this actually just makes more sense. But it also, because it's a 360 camera, it doesn't matter the position of the camera there. So I also found out that it should work with my existing Hollyland M1, I think I have M1 or M2 wireless Bluetooth mics, which I love. So I don't have to upgrade to the new Insta360 mic Pros, which I like them, they're intriguing, but I have an existing system that works. So if it works with that, I'm great. And hopefully it'll work without having to install all of the other crap. I used to have to put the adapter, the receiver on it and plug it in through a jack and have an adapter going to the USB, but I have it on good authority. I've seen several videos where you can plug it directly in and it works. So we'll see what that looks like. So yeah, so I'm excited, looking forward to getting back to doing some vlogging and having a camera that has a lot of capabilities. This is actually an 8K camera now. The either camera, like if you use, instead of using the full 360, if you just use one other lens, single lens mode, it's at 4K now, where it was at like 2.5K. So there's some benefits there. So yeah, I'm excited to see what I can put together with this. Go ahead and put this on the charger, and comes with some other goodies here that I haven't opened yet. I think probably a case and a charging cord and that type of stuff is in here. Yeah, so that's what we're looking at. But in any case, just wanted to share my replacement toy. Oh, look, it's got the quick release already built in. So if you have the quick release adapters, it should just snap right on and off now, which is cool. That saves a lot of time. Yeah, that's a pretty good utilization. It's one thing about this company, they really take user feedback in mind, and they also make continual improvements over the generations. Something else too is that these lenses are removable, which is not the case in my X3. I did have a problem there where I did have the smallest scratch, and it didn't show up on most times, but sometimes it would. And with that, you used to have to send the whole thing back to them and get it repaired if it was in the warranty, or you'd have to pay to get the lenses replaced. That was it. But with these now, these are removable, replaceable, I'll say it that way. I do have a lens guard coming, the new foldable lens guard. Like I said, I bought some accessories, and there was a new gimbal handle. It's called the Freedom or the Freeform selfie stick, and it allows you to kind of use this in more of a gimbal mode when it's paired with the Insta Frame 2.0. So that is what intrigued me to go in this direction, as opposed to going with the new gimbal camera from Insta360. Although I was intrigued by it, it's just too expensive. I'm paying less by buying all these accessories. I'm actually paying less than I would pay if I was to buy that one camera. So yeah, so I'm looking forward to it, being able to get some better quality videos, and to be able to get some better utilization. So they've made a lot of improvements. I've been kind of following, and hopefully we'll be able to get this done. Later.